Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and welcome to the final video in the Point of Interest series with the Mavic 2. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's do a quick recap. In this series, we're exploring how to fly a point of interest manually while having the software keep the camera fixed on the subject. So far, we have covered the Paradanafi, DJI Spark, Mavic Pro, and the Autel Evo. If you'd like to see these videos, I have put links in the description, and if you'd like to see more drone reviews and tutorials, consider hitting that subscribe button along with the bell, and you'll be notified when we post videos. So today we're going to cover the Mavic 2. There are 3 ways to do this on the Mavic 2. We're going to cover Litchi, Active Track, and Point of Interest. So let's jump right in with Litchi. In Litchi, we can use focus to set a point of interest just like we did on the DJI Spark and Mavic Pro. Okay, let's open Litchi. Tap the top of the screen and bring down the flight menu. Press focus and this will bring up the map. Tap and place the marker over the point of interest. I like to do this with the drone to mark points for better accuracy. Now move back and let's adjust the gimbal pitch. Click on the marker and that will bring up the point of interest menu. Set the subject to point of interest. Set the subject height to where you want it. Here, let's put it at -4 feet. You will see the gimbal move in the FPV window as you change it. Set the aircraft rotation to automatic. Next, we are going to leave the joystick reference on default and leave the joystick limiter at 55%. Okay, let's press start. Now we can fly manually and the camera will stay locked on that point. This feature is really nice if you require precise accuracy with your point of interest. Now the aircraft does not pan very smoothly at the start or end of a move, so you'll have to plan accordingly. Okay, on to Active Track. In Active Track, we will use parallel just like we did on the Mavic Pro. Draw a box around the subject, choose parallel, and press go. You now can fly around manually and the camera will stay locked on that point. This works very well as long as the camera can stay locked on the subject. Okay, the last mode is definitely one of the most impressive features I have seen on the Mavic 2. We are going to use point of interest, but we have to use vision mode. If we use GPS mode, the software will not control the gimbal pitch and will work just like point of interest on the Mavic Pro and orbit mode on the Evo. Here you can see as we move around and move away and up, the gimbal does not pitch to keep the subject in the frame. Okay, let's open point of interest. Draw a box over the point of interest just like we did using Active Track. Now here's the trick to using this. Press the speeds button to bring up the speed slider. We will use this in just a moment. Now once you press go, the Mavic is going to start in orbit and will display "Do not operate the aircraft during subject position calculation." It is very important you do not touch the sticks during this move. The Mavic will orbit for about 5 seconds and then display "Measurement completed," starting to circle. The Mavic will keep moving after this calibration, so at this time slide the speed to 0. Now you can fly the Mavic manually and it will keep the camera locked on the subject. This is a really neat feature, but I have noticed it can be off as much as 10 feet forward, which is not really bad at all considering it's triangulating the position using optical tracking. Okay, let's walk through an example. Okay, we are back at our historic water tower and let's fly up and open point of interest. All right, let's tilt the gimbal down a bit to get our framing and let's draw a box over the windows on the tower. Okay, let's press go and the Mavic's going to do its calibration move. Okay, now it says calibration complete and we're going to press the speed button to bring up the slider and set it to 0. Okay, now we can fly around manually and the Mavic will keep the camera locked on that point. So what did you think? This vision point of interest is very impressive. It allows you to keep your eyes on the drone instead of buried in the video feed, which will give you better situational awareness, which really helps those close and dynamic shots. So there you have it, point of interest flying with the DJI Mavic 2. As always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.